Have you ever wanted to play Xbox Cloud Gaming without using a controller? Maybe you guys are on laptop, your controller battery died, or you simply prefer playing with a keyboard and mouse. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you guys can do that using the keyboard and mouse for Xbox Cloud Gaming browser extension. This video is sponsored by the developers of the extension ModernKit 1. So this extension works for any Xbox Cloud Gaming game, since Xbox Cloud Gaming on keyboard and mouse only supports specific games, but with this extension, it will support any game no matter what game you choose on Xbox Cloud Gaming. I actually covered this extension a while back, but it's received some major improvements since then, so I wanted to give it another look and see how it performs today. Let's jump right in. So the first thing that you guys will want to do is install the extension for either Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. So you guys are going to search up keyboard and mouse for Xbox Cloud Gaming. And then from here, you guys are going to click on the very first one here that has the verified badge. So click on this here, click on add to Chrome, click add extension. And now as you guys can see, it has been added to Chrome over here. And now you guys can just click on open Xbox Cloud Gaming here, and it says here that the extension works automatically when you launch a game. So click on open Xbox Cloud Gaming here. It'll lead you to Xbox Cloud Gaming right over here. And now you guys will get this pop-up over here. So it'll say either unlock full access or start free trial. So this does actually have a 3-day free trial, risk-free. You guys do not need to put your credit card in. All you guys need to do is just have a valid email address. And if you guys have already bought the full access, which I highly recommend, it's only a one-time purchase. And after that, you are done. You own the extension. Then you just do need to sign in here. And once you guys have signed in, you guys can just click on the extension over here. And now you can see the interface for this extension. So right now we have some default settings here. So your A button would be space, your B button is your left control, your X is your R, and your Y is your mouse scroll up, and you have all of these over here. Another thing you guys can do is just click on copy over here to copy everything here, and even download and export your keybinds here. You can click edit here to actually edit each of these keyboards here, and you guys can also set auto load as well. So if we go back over here, you can click on add new preset, and now you guys can just name the preset here. So once you have changed your keybinds here, you guys can name it to whatever you want. And for now, we'll just click on create new here. So now this is your new preset here, and you guys can change all of this. Just click on create once you're done. And now this is the name of your new preset here. And now let's head over to one of my favorite features, which is the preset library. So what you guys are going to do is click on the plus icon here that says add new preset, and just click on open preset library here. And now you guys can see a bunch of different games here. So instead of spending time creating your own control layout from scratch, you guys can simply search for the game that you guys want to play. So you can just type in Halo, for example, and you'll even get individual Halo games. So we'll use Halo Infinite as an example. Click on add preset here, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Now, if I go back into the extension here and I click on default here, you guys will see that I have the preset that I created before, and I also have that Halo Infinite preset, and your controls are all ready to go here so you can see everything. There are over 130 ready to play presets, so there's a very good chance that the game you guys want to play is already there. And honestly, this is probably the feature that stood out to me the most. Being able to import a layout with a single click saves a lot of time, especially if you are someone who likes jumping between different games, which is something that I do a lot. So I would highly recommend getting this software just for that feature. And then again, if you guys do not like some of the presets here, you guys can just realistically just click on edit here, and you guys can change the actual bind here by clicking on the remove over here. Click on the plus and then just click on any key. So let's just say I want to set the key as K. So now my X key will be K. So now every time I would want to press X, it is K, and If the bind is set somewhere else, so if there's a duplicate bind, then it will also tell you by having a little red box here and a little red exclamation mark saying that it is already used for another button. And as I mentioned before, you guys can modify your mouse sensitivity here and even assign multiple keys or mouse buttons to the same controller input here. So I have two options here. So if I wanted to click B, for example, on my controller, then it would be the left control or backspace. And I really do like that they didn't just stop at giving you presets. They give you enough customization to make the controls actually feel comfortable for the way that you want to play. Another feature that I found very useful is automatic preset switching. So let's say that I launch Forza. So the extension will automatically load my Forza controls. And then if I switch over to Halo, it'll automatically swap again. It is a very small feature, but it makes the whole experience feel much more polished because you don't have to keep manually changing everything whenever you switch games. So if I go back here and try Fortnite, for example, and click on add over here, now if I launch Fortnite here, as you guys can see, it says Fortnite preset activated without me even having to select the Fortnite preset. And now to actually use the software itself, all you need to do is just click here to move with the mouse. So once I click this, it will work and you can start to use your keyboard and mouse instead of your controller. So now let's just test this out real quick. So if I click escape here and see what my A button is. So my A button here is space for Fortnite. So if I go and click return to full screen and then click here to move with mouse and click on space, as you guys can see, it has in fact worked just like it is intended to. And also there was a little warning saying that I didn't have a controller set, and this extension helps mitigate that issue where, let's say for example, you either don't want to play on controller or you guys don't have a controller readily available. This would be perfect for that person. And now you guys can just click on escape here and just do whatever you want. And when you guys click escape, it will tell you that your keyboard and mouse controls are disabled, so you guys do need to return to full screen to play this here. And yeah, after using this software for a while, I think what impressed me the most was how easy everything is once you're set up. You import your preset or set it yourself, you make a few adjustments, and then after that you can mostly forget about the extension even being there and just focus on playing. So I would highly recommend this extension if you play Xbox Cloud Gaming regularly, you prefer keyboard and mouse, travel with a laptop, or if you guys just don't always have a controller nearby. I can definitely see the appeal, and it's nice having another option that doesn't require carrying extra hardware around. If you guys would like to try this out yourself, there is a 3-day free trial that includes all of the extensions features, and if you guys decide it's something that you'll continue using, there is also a one-time upgrade to full access instead of an ongoing subscription, which is something I personally love seeing since I know a lot of people do not want to be tied to a monthly subscription. Overall, I really do love this extension. The preset library is excellent, the customization options are solid, and features like automatic preset switching make everyday use a lot more convenient. If you guys would like to learn more or give it a try yourself, I've left the link down below in the description and pinned comment. And huge thanks to ModernKit for their keyboard and mouse for Xbox Cloud Gaming extension for sponsoring today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you guys are new, and thanks for watching.